Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Duluth, Georgia, which is northeast of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Bow Wow. The house has 8 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms over 10,771 square feet. This gorgeous single-family home was built in 2001, and then purchased by Bow Wow in October 2019 for $1,105,500. This house features beautiful hardwood floors throughout, as well as floor-to-ceiling windows and stunning cathedral ceilings. This amazing house also features an intercom throughout the home, and an in-ground pool. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.